Welcome back, viewers. We are tracking the latest in the breaking developments, and what we are being given to understand is that the rooftop of the BJ Medical Hostel will be removed today. Remember, yesterday the black box, apparently the secret box which is going to reveal the possible reason exactly behind this fatal crash, leading to the loss of life of nearly 300 people. Now, it was found around the rooftop of this medical college, and after in fact the medical college roof was also being cleared. Now today in the air crash investigation, the authorities are also going to remove the roof. Anand Singh is joining me with more updates. Anand, what are you picking up from the crash site now at the medical college, which apparently was hit massively due to the fatal air crash? The roof will be removed.
Yeah, Simran, look, we are standing just 100 meters away from the crash site, and as you can see, the tail of the ill-fated Air India 171 flight is still hanging on the rooftop of the BJ Medical College hostel. So clearly, it's worth to mention that how the investigators, they need to bring this tail down, and several parts of the plane debris that they will be taking from here for further probe to ascertain that what were the reasons that led to such a massive disaster here in Gujarat's Ahmedabad. So clearly this tail of the plane will be cut into two parts, and that will be taken from here, as several other plane parts are lying below the hostel over there. And as I can show you in my visuals, I will ask my camera person that these are the buildings of the Medic City over here, and these are also the hostels which are used by the doctors. And just when we pan the camera, then I can show you the path from the airport. This is the same path which the aircraft took and crash landed at this hostel. So everywhere you can see that it's a residential area, and if the plane would have crash landed in any of these parts, then the number of casualties would have been more. But given the fact that this crash happened on the top of the hostel, so only it was remained to that part, and no major casualties happened in the residential area. So clearly beside the rooftop of the hostel, you can see the top building over there, which is the Civil Medical Hospital building, and the intensity can be understood that if the plane would have traveled some more distance, about 500 or 600 feet more, then it could have crashed into the Civil Hospital building also over here. So clearly it is a very tough task for the investigators and the rescue team working over here to remove the debris of the plane. And also you can see some of the members on the rooftop of the hostel who are trying. They are the forensic team members. They are trying to find out. Yesterday the team found one of the two black boxes, and they have sent it to the investigators that will further reveal the cause of the plane crash, that what happened in the last moment, that what were the technical glitches that the plane faced, whether it was the both engine failure or single engine failure, how whether it got stalled, why it was not gaining altitude after taking off from the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel airport over here. So these are the questions that the air investigators will now try to find answers to, and they will also ascertain that what was the cause of this deadliest air crash over here. So more searches are going on over here in this area, and you can clearly see several of the team members are on the rooftop over there. They are trying to figure out that where are the other parts, other critical components of the aircraft. And soon the rescue workers, the NDRF and SDRF, along with the fire department and PW teams, will also raise that building once the entire search is completed over there for looking for the dead bodies. So the roof will be also removed, and the entire building will be raised, because it's now completely unfit for unfit structure over here for any use over here. So it will be happening in next few days. But before that, the investigators and the rescue workers need to clear the area, and they need to give a thumbs up that now there is no more dead bodies or other critical components of the aircraft. Back to you, Simran.